A fireplace instantly changes the look and feel of a room. And there is no better way to make that transformation than with the Ignite XL electric fireplace from Dimplex. With so many electric fireplaces available, it's important to choose one that captures the charm and ambience of a real wood fire. As the inventors of the modern electric fireplace, the incredibly lifelike Dimplex flame ensure you'll enjoy a captivating focal point for years to come. Featuring edge-to-edge glass, the Ignite XL offers a flawless panoramic view of the flames from any angle. Whether you complete your fireplace with stone, tile, or drywall, the clean-faced design blends seamlessly from flame to finish. Home or high-rise, basement or bedroom, with Ignite XL the only limit is your imagination. No gas line, venting, or chimney is required. Simply frame, wire for electricity, and finish to suit your decor. Whether it's new construction or renovation, there is no easier or more cost-effective fireplace solution. While combustion fireplaces are only practical in the winter, you can enjoy your Ignite XL fireplace year-round. And when the weather turns cold, the Comfort Saver heating system makes sure everything is warm and cozy. Comfort Saver quietly and efficiently warms up to 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for zone heating in your main living spaces. And since the front glass stays cool to the touch, you never need to worry about the safety of your loved ones. Available in 50, 74, and an incredible 100 inches, Ignite XL lets you choose how bold a statement you want to make with your fireplace. Sparkling with intensity in a full spectrum of colors, the diamond-like acrylic ice ember bed adds dazzle in every size. Choose from 8 brilliant color themes using the convenient remote or built-in touch controls. Or cycle through the spectrum to choose a custom color that suits your mood or decor. And if you prefer a natural look, a driftwood and river rock accessory kit is also available. In any size and in any space, Dimplex helps you ignite the limitless possibilities of electric fireplace flame and comfort.